The name Internet itself suggests its meaning. It stands for International Network of Computers. A network is an interconnection between two or more computers. The Internet is a network of networks that consists of millions of computers spread across the world. Internet allows us to share the information worldwide with just a mouse click. With the advent of Internet, the old saying, world is too small, has been replaced by the new term global village.
Students, do you know who he is? He is Tim Berners-Lee, founder of the World Wide Web. Let us quickly glance through the history of Internet.
In 1969, when man walked on the moon, the U.S. Defense Department set in Advanced Research Project Agencies (ARPA) for further research. They designed a network of 4 computers to exchange and share their data. This network was called APRANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Later, many universities were allowed to join this network and share the information. This was the beginning of networking of computers, which grew bigger day by day and gave birth to Internet, the technology which has radically changed our life. Earlier, Internet was used by engineers, scientists and computer experts for research purposes. Gradually, the network was made accessible to private agencies and general public. People started using it for sending messages and files between the computers. The most interesting thing about Internet is that no single agency controls or maintains the Internet. In India, Internet services started on 15th of August 1995 through government-owned company VSNL. Private Internet service providers like Airtel, Reliance, Sifi, Tata, etc. have also been allowed to provide Internet services. Students, note that an Internet service provider ISP is a company that gives you access to the Internet for a fee. The browser will not be able to display pages unless the computer is connected to an ISP. For example, BSNL, Tata, Airtel, Reliance, etc. Now let us talk about the popular services on the Internet. The basic principle of Internet is to make our lives better. There are many facilities available on the Internet. The World Wide Web is a large computer network where, by using a browser such as Netscape, Internet Explorer, you can surf and get information. It consists of all the public websites connected to the Internet worldwide, including the client devices such as computers and cell phones, and access web contents. The websites are identified by short unique global identifiers called URL, Uniform Resource Locator. www contains millions of documents or bunch of pages called web pages. Each web contains text, graphics, video, audio and link to other web pages via hyperlink. Now, if you want to reserve and print railway tickets, then you should visit the site www.irctc.co.in. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, that is commercial activities over Internet. Internet offers us convenient ways to shop from our home or office for almost everything like air, rail, movie tickets, clothes, electronic items, books, gifts, etc. We can buy or sell new or second-hand goods also. A chat is an online conversation over the Internet in which we can instantly send text-based messages back and forth to one another. There are various types of chats available on the Internet. One can chat through instant messenger, a chat room, a chat website, etc. However, most of them require the user to register first. Apart from text chat, we can also interact with other users using voice and video chat. Chat rooms are places on the Internet where you can converse with different types of people like your faraway friends, relatives, celebrities, and with corporations about their various products, etc. Some of the popular chat software are Google Talk, Windows Live Messenger, Skype. To use these softwares, download them through Internet and install. To chat using such software, you should have a user account. Time for a fact file. Nicholas Janstrom and his Danish partner Janus Fries are the founders of Skype. Alright, let us do an activity of chatting through Google Talk. Double-click on the Google Talk icon on the desktop. Enter your username and password in the respective boxes given for them. Click on Sign In button. The Google Talk window opens. You will find other users who are available online with the green dot indicator. Click on the username with whom you want to start a conversation. A chat window will appear. Type the message in the blank box at the bottom where cursor appears and press the enter key. Let me share a fact with you. The founders of Google are Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Video conferencing involves the use of video cameras connected to two or more computers. Images and sounds are then sent through the internet where users not only hear each other but can also have a face-to-face conversation. This technology is mainly used for virtual meetings among a group of people to discuss political, business, medical, or social affairs. We can see the example of video conferencing on news channels. Social networking is the grouping of individuals into specific groups who, for example, share ideas, activities, events, interests, photos, messages, and videos. The social networking websites function like an online community of internet users. In social networking websites, every user has a profile which contains information about them. A user can also invite other people to join these websites no matter what their hobbies, beliefs, or interests are. Some of the popular social networking sites are Facebook, Orkut, LinkedIn, Hi-Fi, etc. E-banking or electronic banking is the way of performing bank transactions using internet. Using e-banking, one can check the amount, take FD, fixed deposit, transfer the money, apply for loans, etc. These transactions can be done from any part of the world if you have an internet connection on your computer. To perform e-banking, follow the given steps. Open the website of the bank in which you have an account. Enter username and password. Do the required transactions.
Let me tell you that when you visit any site, the first page that opens is called the home page.
Alright, let me now tell you how to use the internet. We usually see captions like visit us on www.intel.com. Such type of text which starts from www and ends with .com, .in, .or, .org, etc. is called web address or URL. To see any site on the internet, you have to type its web address in the address bar of the Internet Explorer. Example, if we enter the address www.intel.com in the address bar, we will see the official website of Intel. There we will see some colored and underlined text. It is called link. On clicking a link, we move to another web page of the same or some other website. Students, let me share an interesting fact with you. Modem is a device that connects to your computer with the telephone line. It changes the computer signals so that they can travel through telephone lines and vice versa. Now let's find out how to search information. Internet is basically a vast resource of information. We can search and find information about websites, images, news, questions and answers, videos, etc. There are exclusive websites for searching information, example www.google.com or www.google.co.in from Google, www.bing.com from Microsoft, and www.yahoo.com or www.yahoo.co.in from Yahoo. Follow these steps to search any information. Let us say we want to search the images of deforestation on internet. Open any search engine, say www.google.co.in. Click on the Images tab. Type deforestation and click on Search button. A list of images will be displayed. Select the image you like. Students, Did you know that www.bing.com is the latest search engine from Microsoft? Now let's talk about email. Email stands for electronic mail. It is a facility on internet to compose, store, send and receive messages to any part of the world. The convenience, simplicity and affordability of sending mails on internet has totally changed the correspondence system. Email is the fastest way of sending mails where the postal address details like name, address, city, state, PIN, country, etc. have been replaced by the email address. The email address is given in the format info@kipps.in. We can also attach photos, videos or other important data along with our message. The popular sites which provide the facility to send or receive mails are www.yahoo.co.in, www.gmail.com, www.redditmail.com, etc. Let us now find out how to use email. To use email facility on internet, first we have to create a personal email account. We have to select a username, email address and provide a secret code, password along with our particulars like name, address, date of birth, interest, qualification, etc. You have already learnt about all this in the previous class. Some of the commonly used features are as follows. Composing and sending mail. To write a mail to anyone, we have to click on this option or any other similar option. It will open a new window wherein we type the email address of the receiver, subject of the mail and the text in the body. After composing an email, click the send button on the toolbar. Let me share a tip. We can send the same mail to many persons by typing their email addresses separated by commas. Attaching a file. Email provides a facility to attach files for high-speed delivery anywhere in the world. Attaching a file to an email is an easy way to send important documents or files which can be photographs, videos, music, letters, text, etc. To attach a file to an email, follow these steps. Click on Attach a File option under the subject file. Browse through your files and click the name of the file you would like to attach. Click on Open. Students, always remember that you cannot send executable files or messages larger than 25 MB. Replying and forwarding email. The reply option is displayed when we open an email. It is used to reply a received email. We can simply type in our reply and click on Send button. The forward option is used when we want to send the same or any received mail to number of persons at the same time. Adding a signature to a mail. A signature is a bit of personalized text such as contact information or a favorite quote that is automatically inserted at the bottom of every mail you send. To create signatures, follow these steps. Click the gear item in the upper right and then select Settings option. Enter your new signature text in the box at the bottom of the page next to the signature option. Click on Save Changes tab. Log out or sign out. Click this button. Once you have finished reading or sending the emails, this option brings you out from your email account. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Internet is a network of networks that consists of millions of computers spread across the world. In India, internet services started on 15th of August 1995 through government-owned company BSNL. A chat is an online conversation over the internet. Some of the popular chat software is Google Type, Skype, and Windows Live Messenger. Social networking websites function like an online community of internet users, for example, Facebook, Orkut, LinkedIn, etc. Email stands for electronic mail. It provides the facility to attach files for high-speed delivery anywhere in the world. A signature is a bit of personalized text that is automatically inserted at the bottom of every email.
Fill in the blanks. State true or false. Give application multiple choice questions.